Hello everyone. In this video we are going to continue with graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution, where we are going to find the median by using both the less than and more than type ogive. If you have not watched the previous video on less than and more than ogive, then watch it first so that this video will be a revision of concepts. The class interval and frequency is given to us. Let us draw a less than ogive and a more than ogive, and from that we'll find the median. Now first we are going to draw the less than ogive. For this we look at this table and write this table in this format. For writing the class interval, we are going to look at the upper class limit of each class interval. So in this column we are going to write less than 55, less than 60, less than 65, less than 70, less than 75, less than 8. Now let us find the cumulative frequency. For this we will write the first frequency as it is. For the class interval less than 60, the cumulative frequency will be 8 plus 2, which is going to be 10. Here the cumulative frequency will be 10 plus 12, which is going to be 22. For less than 70 class interval, the cumulative frequency will be 22 plus 24, which is 46. Then here it's going to be 46 plus 38, which is going to be 84. And here for less than 80 class interval, the cumulative frequency will be 84 plus 16, which is 100. On the graph we are going to plot these points. So the points will be 55 2, 60 10, 65 22, 70 46, 75 84 and 80 100. Because on the x-axis we are going to plot the class interval, and on the y-axis we are going to plot the cumulative frequency. Now let us plot this. So here we have our first point 55 2, then here we have 60 10, then here 65 22, 70 46, 75 84 and 80 100. Now that we have plotted the points, we need to join it with a smooth curve like it's already shown here. Now on the same graph we are going to plot the more than type ogive. Let us now draw the cumulative frequency for more than series. So now here we look at the lower class limits, that is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Let us write the table like this. For class interval we will write more than or equal to 50, more than or equal to 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Now we have to find the cumulative frequency. We have to find the total of all the frequencies that is given to us. The total is 100. So 100 will be the cumulative frequency for more than or equal to 50. For the next cumulative frequency we will subtract 2 from 100 and we will get it as 98. Then from 98 we will subtract 8 and get 90. From 90 we will subtract 12 and get 78. Then from 78 we will subtract 24 and get 54. From 54 we will subtract 38 and we will get 16. Now the points that we are going to plot in the graph are going to be 50, 100, 55, 98, 60, 90, 65, 78, 70, 54 and 75, 16. Let us now plot the graph. In this x-axis we are going to plot class interval. In the y-axis we are going to plot the cumulative frequency. Now here 50, 100, so this is the point. Then 55, 98 point is here. 60, 90 point is here, 65, 78 point is here, 70, 54 point is here, and 75, 16 point is over here. Now we'll join all the points with a smooth curve. Here we can see that the two ogives, the less than and the more than type, are intersecting at this point. Now from this point we will drop a perpendicular on the x-axis, and this point is going to be the median. Here we can see that this point is 71, so the median for the given data is 71. For online personalized one-to-one coaching to clear your concepts and to increase your scores, students can contact 944-890-8726. If you want to subscribe to our study material, students of grades 9 and 10 CBSE Maths can log in to our website schoolexamprep.in. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will be uploading videos on concepts of grade 10 Maths. Thanks for watching.